Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, uLetoya Makhene has been accused of being a fake sangoma, guys. You know, she has been accused of being a fake sangoma. So one of the people that she was helping to Twasa took her to a show on Moja Love called Fake Gobelas, you know. So this person took uLetoya Makhene to this show and told them that uLetoya Makhene is a fake sangoma and he wants his money back because she didn't even help him, you know. So allegedly, apparently it is said that this guy paid 3,500, you know. So guys, please watch this video and just see for yourself.
Ugobela manje sokumuntu manje onama issues yakhe asumuntu manje sekayenza umsebenzi wabantu abadala
because nekitrapiwa kontlung
yes
kilebu
na tshwantse gore boele mo still mo blacking e leng gore gona le tlhakatlhakano mo yone which is mo re sa kgone go thwasiswa teng.
Don't you raise your voice.
I raise it, baba.
Don't you
no, raise it.
He's been sent. You are an agent, my child. You have been sent.
School man.
You know, at this point, guys, I feel like uLetoya Makhene is just facing storms after storms, you know. She can't just be happy usiswa abantu, like there's always something. And when she said to this guy that this guy was sent by someone, this guy didn't respond, like guy didn't say anything, you know. He just kept quiet. So I also believe that this guy was sent by someone just to ruin a reputation yaga Letoya, because what is happening, you know? And why is he the only one that is complaining? Because there are a lot of people, guys, that uLetoya has helped to Twasa. So I feel like this thing now, it's sabotage nje lena ayikho nje enye into esingayisho. They are just trying to sabotage her, and uLetoya is saying that this person was sent, and also as in guys guningi but nje I really don't think, man, uLetoya would, guys, even if you are a scammer, like, would you scam someone of 3.5? I don't know, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think uLetoya Makhene is a fake sangoma? Because hi guningi sham.